Hey guys, and welcome. My name is Jeannie. This is Sips Lips and Makeup Tricks. If you are new here, I would love it if you would hang out, stick around a while, and become part of this YouTube family. You can still get in on my huge August giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed and comment on the August giveaway video out of all of the items what you would be most excited to receive. And you'll have your entry. You can always get an extra entry by sharing my giveaway over on Instagram or Facebook, and then just showing me that you shared it will get you an extra entry. And I will be picking the winner to that giveaway this week, probably. Actually, it might be tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow or Friday because those are my days off. It'll just depend on time. But either tomorrow or Friday will be the end of the August giveaway. But don't worry because we have giveaways like that every single month. Okay, so outside of that, today I have two more of my BoxyCharm pop-up orders. So they're actually two kind of smaller orders put together. I still have one smaller order that is in transit, and then I do have my biggest order that has like 33 items that still has not had a shipping label even created yet. So I'm able to see when a shipping label was created through BoxyCharm with my FedEx Delivery Manager app, which is really nice because then I can like see the whole process and I know when to expect the boxes. So that's always fun. Yes, I am a package stalker. But this is a heavy box. I've got some real awesome goodies in here and I want to share them with you all. So let's just jump on in. Whoa. I went shopping today and I can't say I didn't buy any makeup, but I didn't buy any makeup for me. I bought a bunch of cosmetic organizers for my filming studio and everything feels so much more organized and I'm like loving it right now. But okay, so the first item in this, let me do this so that I've got some room over here. So the first item it was one of those where like you buy one, you got one free type of deal, or the buy more, save more deals that they have. And these are Ofra cosmetic highlighters. It is, I want to say it was like the retrograde highlighter. I don't know if it says on here even. I think that it was the retrograde highlighter. I love Ofra highlighters. I use them pretty much on a daily basis for my eye looks, and this one looked really pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's got kind of like a purplish color, and then this whitish or creamish color. I use that almost on a daily basis on the inner corners and like right underneath my brow arch for my eye looks, literally all the time. So love, love, love that. And I have not yet decided whether I'm going to keep one and put one in my backup drawer or maybe put one into one of my upcoming giveaways. I have not decided yet because I really do go through these highlighters. This is something that I use all the time, but I might put one in a giveaway. I'm just not sure yet. Now, the next thing was actually, so I want to say it was called like Nicole Breeze. This is a curl cream. So my 13-year-old son is biracial. So like most biracial children, he has those beautiful curls. Sometimes they can get a little bit frizzy. So now that he is in 8th grade, I feel like he's caring a little bit more about his appearance and he wanted something for his hair to define his curls. So I happened to see this on the pop-up order and I decided that I would grab it for him and we will see how it works. I will let you guys know. And the next item is the Lava Lashes. So these were up for choice. And I ended up choosing the Lash Probiotic by Dr. Lily Fan when these were up for choice, but I did pick these up. So these retail for like, I think like $60 or $58. So it's an expensive lash. They are really pretty. Let me take this plastic off so that I can, there we go. They are a really, really pretty lash. That is what they look like. It does come with the applicator and glue. and it looks like maybe a little instruction packet. So these are actually like, they look like the perfect shape for my eye when it comes to lashes. So I'm actually really excited to give these a try. But I will say, I have been using lash serums every day for the last month or so, and I see a major difference in the length and volume of my own lashes. So I'm kind of like less apt to even want to wear lashes lately because I literally see a huge difference in my own lashes. So I'm like happy with them right now. Kind of don't feel the need for lashes, but they are fun and I definitely will get some use out of them and wear them at some point. Speaking of lashes, I also picked up the Moxie Lash set. Now, let me just be honest with you. This was kind of curiosity, killed the cat type of thing, because I'm like, it said that it retailed for $98. And I'm like, a lash kit, $98? $58 seemed like a lot. Now we're talking about $98? What? I want to know why. I want to know why these lashes are $90, right? So come to find out, which I did not know this, they are actually magnetic lashes. And I am not the hugest fan of magnetic lashes. I will say, I took a peek at the lashes themselves earlier. They are very pretty. Again, they look like lashes that would look really good on the shape of my eye. Then they also come with these Q-tips that are pre-moistened with olive and castor oil, I guess to help remove the magnetic lash liner that you apply to get the lashes to stick. And then this is the lash liner. That you get a mini lash liner for $100 set. You're getting a mini? That's crazy to me, you guys. I don't know. These better be something that blow me away. That's all I'm saying. Now, I'm glad I didn't pay $100 for, well, let's just be honest. I wouldn't have paid $100 for them. I picked them up because I was interested and I was able to get them for a whole lot cheaper on BoxyCharm pop-up. But I just really hope that if people are out there paying damn near $100 for these lashes, that like I'm gonna be wowed when I try them. But I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so the next product is by Huda Beauty. I love her little mini palettes. They have the most beautiful shimmers. I have some of her little mini Obsession gemstone palettes. Now, this is the Pastels Rose. It is, oh man, is it pretty. These shimmers in here are stunning. I know that there's no way my camera will pick up how actually multi-chromatic those shimmers are. They are so freaking stunning. I want to show it off so bad. Oh yeah, there you can kind of see it. Super multi-chromatic. Just stunning. I cannot wait to play with this palette. I have another one coming in my biggest order too. Not this shade, but a different shade. So I love these palettes and I'm definitely was excited to pick up a couple more for my collection. And then next, we do have another eyeshadow palette. This is the iconic London Sunset to Sunrise palette. I know a lot of people have this palette. I think it's something that BoxyCharm has had, like, been in their sales and boxes for quite some time, but I do not have it, and it just looks like a really pretty neutral palette. I do believe it retails for about $62, and I can't remember what I paid on the BoxyCharm pop-up sale, but it definitely was not $62. But it's just a really pretty neutral looking palette. We've got fall coming up. The oranges and browns kind of remind me of like fall eye looks. So I will definitely be getting some use out of this in the very near future. I have never had an eyeshadow palette from this brand. So I'm really excited to give it a try. And moving right along. Ooh, I was really excited by this. This is by Huda Beauty. I love some of their skincare products that I have. And this is the On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. And this is in Rose like rose petal and nude or something like that. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then one side you have like a luminizer, like a cream luminizer. It looks really pretty. And then the other side is a cream blush, and that side also looks really, really pretty. I have really been getting into cream products lately. I almost always wear a cream contour and cream blush lately. I feel like with my skin beginning to age a little bit, you know, at 36, these cream products really, really, really look really good. Like it's just, I can't explain it. It's just a whole, I never used to go for cream products, but I decided to give them a try again after I hadn't used them for quite a while, not too long ago. And I am like literally in love. I don't know how to explain it. It's just a glow, and like the way that it doesn't accentuate every little pore and every little fine line that is starting to happen. So I really, really am excited to give this a try. And moving right along. Oh yeah, so we've got something from Avent. This is the hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. Now I remember that this was like a crazy retail value, like $120 or something for this. So it looks like this, almost like a lip gloss. It's got like a little lip gloss spoolie, but it's supposed to be, I guess, just like a hyaluronic acid serum for your lips. And I do believe that this was one of those products where there was something else that I really wanted, and then I needed to find a couple filler items to bring me up to the $25 for free shipping. Because the way that my mind works is like, for add-ons, we don't pay shipping at all. You could get one thing and not have to worry about shipping. But when it comes to the quarterly pop-up sales, you have to have $25 worth of merchandise to qualify for free shipping. So the way my mind works is like, if I have like $18 worth of product or something like that, I'm going to end up paying money in shipping anyways. So I might as well just get the extra products and get free shipping. I don't know. That's just the way my mind works. Maybe it's because I'm addicted to makeup and skincare. I don't know. But anyway, so this was kind of one of those products that was like a filler item. I was like looking for something to get me up to the $25 or $30 mark so that I could have the free shipping. And the next product is by Doll 10, and this is the Lash Remedy Transforming Peptide Mascara. I am all about mascaras lately now that my own lashes are like fuller and longer due to the continued use of the lash serums that I've been using. I've been using the Lash MD, and I did bust into the Dr. Lily Fan Lash Probiotic. And I only use it at night, but I've been using it every night. And you guys, I'm telling you, there is a massive difference. I used to have extremely long, full, dark lashes when I was younger. And as I've gotten a little bit older, they have thinned out, and they just have. But it's like I've got like my 15-year-old lashes again, and it's amazing. That's literally how I feel. So I love that this is kind of like a probiotic mascara. So it's like a 2-in-1. It's good for your lashes, and it's makeup as well. I have not given it a try yet. I did just get it today, but this is what the wand looks like. And I have never tried any of this brand's mascara, but I'm definitely excited to give it a try. And like I said, anything that is like a 2-in-1 that's good for me and it's makeup, that is like a win-win. So you guys, check this out. I went shopping today at Marshall's, and I found this. It's so cute. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but it says me time. A little, well, it's not a little wine glass. That's actually a pretty big glass for a wine glass, but I thought it was so cute. I had to grab it. Okay, so the next product is by Artist Culture, and it is the Diamond Glow Powder. This is another product that was a filler product. This isn't necessarily something that like I couldn't wait to get my hands on, but it was something that I wanted to throw in the cart so that I didn't have to pay shipping, but it does look really pretty. So it looks like a really iridescent pink. Now, I don't I'm not 100% sure how I would use this yet. I might even use it a little bit on my chest if I was trying to be sexy in like a pretty dress or something. A little bit for a highlight maybe, or possibly even eyeshadow, but I definitely not like a setting powder or anything. I don't think it's supposed to be a setting powder. Is it Diamond Glow powder? I'm not 100% sure what it's supposed to be, but it does look really pretty. I don't know if you can see how like holographic the powder looks. So I will definitely get use out of it, even if anything else for a highlight or an eyeshadow. So definitely get some use out of it. And we've got 2 more products. The next product is an eye cream. Now, I'm not 100% sure how to say this brand. It's like MAAPILIM. I know this is something that people were getting in their boxes. I did not receive it in my box. It's supposed to help with dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines around the eyes. Well, again, I'm 36 and I'm starting to see the first signs of all of those things. And this was $3. It retails for $40 and it was $3 on the sale. So I picked it up. And the last product for this little haul is by Tula. And it is the Tula So Smooth Resurfacing and Brightening Fruit Enzyme Mask. I love Tula. I had never tried anything from them until I started getting Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and now I have a few things that I absolutely love. One of them being this little stick here, and you put it under your eyes, and it's cooling and moisturizing, and I put it on before I do makeup sometimes, especially if it's early in the morning and I have to go do like a long day at work. It's just really cooling and awakening to the eye area. I really, really love it. I got another one like that, but different. It was like the neutralizing one. That's in my biggest order that still is yet to ship out. But anyhow, so I have tried a couple Tula things. I have loved each and every one that I have tried. So I wanted to give this one a try. This is what the packaging looks like. And then it's got a little pump top. I haven't used it yet. I do have a whole lot of skincare open right now. So I might not get to trying this for a little while yet, but I definitely will. So I'm really excited to. You know, I say that all the time. I say, oh, I've got so much skincare open. I'm just going to put this away until I use up what I have. And then I get curious like 2 or 3 days later and the curiosity kills me and I end up busting up into it to give it a try. So that's probably what's going to happen. I've got so much stuff open. I'm going to try not to, but you never know. I really can't promise anything. So that's it for tonight. Oh, guys, I cannot wait. So my next package should be here on Saturday, and that is the last of my smaller items. And then I have no idea when my first order that I placed for the pop-up sale, the biggest, hugest order that I'm so freaking excited for. It's got a ton of eyeshadow palettes, literally like everything that I really, really wanted. There's like 33 items in this order, and I can't wait to get it, but I have no idea when it's going to be here, so I don't know. We'll find out. Eventually, it will be here. So that's all I got for you guys tonight. And until next time, guys. What? Until next time, guys. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.